Hello everybody, welcome back to Gap Languages. Today we have another action picture. Before we're gonna start our lesson, I want you to go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss a single lesson when we upload it. Anyhow, so in today's lesson, it is in this action picture is about making tea. In Farsi, in Dari we say chai dam kadan, chai dam kadan, chai dam kadan. Alright, so in the first picture, the taswir awal میبینیم, the taswir awal میبینیم. So in the first picture we see ای مرد پیش خود فکر میکنه. ای مرد پیش خود فکر میکنه. پیش خود فکر میکنه means he thinks to himself, or he thinks و میگه and says ما باید یک چای جور کنم. ما باید یک چای دم کنم or چای جور کنم. Either it could be چای جور کردن or چای دم کردن. و پیش خود فکر میکنه و میگه ما باید یک چای جور کنم. I have to, not have to, like I should make a tea. او به آشپزخانه میره. او به آشپزخانه میره. He goes to the kitchen. او به آشپزخانه میره or he's going to the kitchen. او به آشپزخانه میره. بعدن then او چاینک میگیره. او چاینک میگیره. He takes the kettle. So او چاینک میگیره. So if I want to conjugate with like میگیره, the word to take, so it goes this way. If I say I take, ما میگیرم, or I'm taking, ما میگیرم. ما چاینک میگیرم. I take the kettle. If it is like you, which is to, or تو چاینک میگیری, you take the kettle. Or if it is with شما, we talk about you, to and شما in our previous lesson. We talked about you, to and شما, so you can check that video out. We talk more about the way of using to and شما. تو چاینک میگیری, so you take, or if it is like شما چاینک میگیرین. او چاینک میگیره, so he takes the kettle. This is چاینک. و او چاینک از آب پر میکنه. او چاینک از آب پر میکنه. So he fills the kettle with water, literally. So او چاینک از آب پر میکنه. So بعدن او چاینک سر گاز میمانه. Gas is basically, it is fire or it's gas, but we say سر گاز, so this is سر گاز میمانه. He puts on the fire. بعدن او چاینک سر گاز میمانه. Alright, before I go to the next one, so I'm going to kind of ask you questions, so you can just think or pause the video and just answer the questions. So like as we did in the previous video, so it was, I think it was about, if I'm not mistaken, it was about watching TV. I don't remember honestly what video we did, but you can definitely check that video out. So probably I'll put the link in the comment section or in the description section. Anyhow, او چی میکنه? او چی میکنه? So what does he do, or what is he doing? So I can say, so you can pause the video and say او پیش خود فکر میکنه. او پیش خود فکر میکنه. He thinks to himself, or he says to himself. او پیش خود فکر میکنه. میگه ما باید چای جور کنم. And the next one, او کجا میره? او کجا میره? Where is he going, or where does he go? So you can pause the video and answer. So let's say you are asking me the same question. او کجا میره? So I can say او به آشپزخانه میره. او به آشپزخانه میره. In here, او چی میکنه؟ او چی میکنه? What does he do? So we said he takes the cattle. He takes the cattle. How would you say? او چاینک میگیره. And this one, اینجا چی میکنه? What does he do here? اینجا, it means here. اینجا چی میکنه? So you can pause the video and answer the question. So let's say you're asking the same question from me, like او چی میکنه؟ او چاینک پر از آب میکنه. او چاینک پر میکنه، یعنی او چاینک از آب or از آب پر میکنه. And then so here او چاینک سر گاز میمانه. او گاز روشن میکنه. او گاز روشن میکنه. گاز روشن کردن is he turns on the fire literally. او گاز روشن میکنه. If I conjugate it with I, ما گاز روشن میکنم. And if I make it negative, ما گاز روشن نمیکنم. If it is negative with to گاز روشن نمیکنی. You don't turn on the light. And here if I want to make it a question, to گاز روشن میکنی, you know, the same sentence, the positive sentence, but we change the tonality of our voice, like to گاز روشن میکنی, do you turn on the light? And the next one, here I can say when the water boils, I can say او جوش میخوره. او جوش میخوره. So the water boils. Or او به جوش میآید. Either I can say او جوش میخوره or او به جوش میآید. So literally it means the water comes to boiling. او گاز گل میکنه. Here it was روشن میکنه. گاز روشن میکنه. Here it means گاز گل میکنه. او گاز گل میکنه. Now here, so let me ask you the question. او چی میکنه؟ او چی میکنه؟ So او چاینک سر گاز میمانه. او چاینک سر گاز میمانه. او چی میکنه؟ او چی میکنه؟ او گاز روشن میکنه. او گاز روشن میکنه. بعدن او چی میکنه؟ بعدن چی میشه؟ What happens next? او the water او به جوش میآید یا او جوش میخوره. او به جوش میآید. و باز او چی میکنه؟ او گاز گل میکنه. گاز گل میکنه. Alright, so let's go to the next one. او چای میگیره. He takes a tea. او چای میگیره. او چای میگیره و چای داخل گیلاس مندازه. و چای داخل گیلاس مندازه. And he puts the tea inside the cup or glass. و چای داخل گیلاس مندازه. بعدن او د گیلاس او جوش مندازه. او جوش, as we said, او جوش is the boiled water. بعد از او در داخل گیلاس او جوش مندازه و میخواه چای جور کنه. و میخواه چای جور کنه. He wants to make tea. If I say I want to make tea, من میخوایم چای جور کنم. So now here we have two verbs. One is میخواه and جور کنه. Like من میخوایم چای جور کنم. And if it is he or she, او میخواه چای جور کنه. If it is we, ما میخوایم چای جور کنیم. Alright, now with میخواه, I can make some other sentences. Like if I say he wants to drink tea, او میخواه چای بخوره. او میخواه چای بخوره. So in the first picture, as I said, او پیش خود فکر میکنه و میگه ما باید چای جور کنم. او میخواه چای بخوره. Now here he wants to drink. او میخواه چای بخوره. So this میخواه, if I conjugate it with other personal pronouns in simple present tense, you can say with, if it is with to میخوای چای بخوری. Let's say if I'm asking somebody, would you like to drink tea? تو میخوای چای بخوری. Or I can get rid of like to, and then I can say میخوای چای بخوری. میخوای چای بخوری. sometimes in Dari we drop subject pronouns. If I say I want, like want to drink tea, so here we can get it the sentence from the context or from the way of conjugating. If I say چای میخوایم بخورم, چای میخوایم بخورم, I want to drink tea. And that here's one more thing I need to point out, like drink, instead of saying drink, which is نوشیدن, we say میخورم, and we say I eat the tea. So that is how we say, but basically the correct form is مینوشم, but in our daily conversation, in our spoken words, we say ما چای میخورم, we say میخورم most than or more than چای مینوشم. So yeah, and چای میخورم is something colloquial, something which is spoken word, and it's very common, چای میخورم. So now let's go to next one. So او چای میخوره. So if I say او چای میخوره, now here I think he's not drinking, he's smelling. So او چای بوی میکنه, او چای بوی میکنه, so he smells the tea. بوی کردن is to smell. او چای بوی میکنه. And the next one, او یک گیلاس چای دیگه جور میکنه. او یک گیلاس چای دیگه جور میکنه. He makes another glass of tea. او یک گیلاس چای دیگه جور میکنه. So he makes another glass of tea. او چای میخوره. او چای میخوره. He eats the tea. Basically that is the equivalent of he drinks the tea or he's drinking the tea. بعدن then او به دوستش یک گیلاس چای میده. بعدن او به دوستش یک گیلاس چای میده. He gives a cup of tea to his friend. او به دوستش چای میده. If I conjugate with I, let's say with to به دوست چای میدی, you give tea to your to your friend, and that is what it means literally, but that is equivalent of he offers his friend a tea. Okay, and the last picture, او همراه دوستش چای میخوره. او همراه دوستش چای میخوره و قصه میکنه. قصه کردن here is like to chat or to talk about some stuff, like yeah. او همراه دوستش قصه میکنه. Alright, everybody, this is the end of the action picture. So if you have any question or anything or any kind of suggestion or feedback, you can definitely leave your feedback and suggestion in the comment section. So we will read and we'll try to make videos based on your interest and based on your expectations. So we always try to make the best contents for our viewers. Thank you. خدا حافظ. با امان خدا.